What a beautiful day at the Gamla National Park. Look at this fabulous view. You can see the Gamla Valley, and there is a beautiful waterfall, and the water has been flowing all year long until they will get to the Sea of Galilee over there in the horizon. Okay, we're going to Gamla National Park. So excited!
Hi everyone, I'm here at the Gamla National Park in the Golan Heights. Jewish tradition counts Gamla among the walled towns from the days of Joshua around the 13th century BCE, roughly 3200 years ago. The ruins you see are much later. About 2000 years ago, a Jewish town stood here at this cowl-shaped bridge, and in the center was a beautiful synagogue that was already active while the temple in Jerusalem still stood. Archaeologists see it as one of the very synagogues we know of, maybe one of the only 7 that existed before the temple's destruction in 70 CE. Gamla's end is a very sad story. In 67 CE, the Romans besieged this hill, broke through the walls, and the town was destroyed. If you want to hear the whole story of that siege and how Gamla fell, write it in the comments below, and I promise I'll make another video just about that.
All the way up to the entrance of the visitor center. Thank you for joining me for the Gamla National Park. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.